What's up guys, welcome back to Pick It Built. In the last episode we were working on these front coilovers. Let's get right back into it. So everything came out. I took the lowered control arms, the tie rods, stabilizer bar, just old bushings. Everything's looking pretty grungy. So let's get the passenger side done as well, and we're going to get all this stuff cleaned up before we put it back on. Alright, so we're down here. You're going to need a 14 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and a 19 millimeter, and a 17 millimeter to get all this off. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we've got everything laid out here. Let's go ahead and get these parts cleaned up. Alright, just using a sawzall, we're going to make 2 relief cuts into this metal sleeve here and be able to try to get that thing out. Guess this sawzall would work better if I had the battery in it. Alright, so everything is stripped down as well as I'm going to do it. Now let's get all these parts painted. Alright, we got all these parts painted up with that POR. I am really impressed with this POR. I mean, this stuff, it pretty much is paint on powder coating. It seems really durable. I like the way the finish is. Now I know this stuff doesn't really take that well to sunlight, but these parts are going to be up under the car. They're not going to get a whole lot of sunlight, so this stuff should hold up really well. So, alright, now we've got some new bushings to assemble and put on here, and we can put all this back on the car. catch you guys up to speed here. I took a 2-inch hole bit here. This is what I used. And cut out both sides on these strut towers. And that's going to give us room for our camber adjustments. Let's continue to work. Alright, just giving you guys a little update here. I've been taking this file with this round edge here. See if you guys can see that. And I'm just filing this out to where when we put the coilovers in, we can reach all those adjustment settings so we can have camber adjustment. Alright, let's keep at it. Alright, just giving this other side, this is the driver's side, a little fit check here, and what you can see is I'm filing this away to where we have room to reach these adjustments, and that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and give it a paint, and we should be good to go to install all this. Alright, we got the new ARP extended studs on there. The hubs have been painted up using the POR. So the next plan of attack is a little unboxing therapy, and let's see what we got here. Alright, you can probably already guess. We've got some new Stop Tech drilled and slotted brake rotors. Next, going to do a little upgrade here. We've got 4-piston upgraded. I'm doing the Toyota caliper 4-piston upgrade. So check that out. Man, those are nice. Alright, stoked about that. Alright, got new brake pads to go with those brakes. What else we got over here? Alright, I already opened this one, so but let's check it out. We've got some new stainless steel brake lines there. Replaced those old rubber ones. Alright, and of course to go along with those wheel studs, I got some of these
Muteki tuner nuts. Alright, they're the open end. Since those are extended studs, I went with the open end. And we'll see how those work. Just to give you guys a little comparison here, here's the old rotors and then the new. Old one piston calipers and then the new. Old front lug nuts versus the new. Greetings from the future. Let me explain what I've got going on. You guys are currently watching this video now, but I'm dealing with memory issues. My storage is full on my laptop, so I'm unable to upload any more footage from this build. So I'm going to stop this video right here, and we'll just have to continue it in the next episode. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.